Your Samsung Galaxy S10 comes with a pre-installed screen protector. However, if you ever need to remove or replace it, it's really easy to do yourself. Make sure you're using a Samsung-approved screen protector for best results, which comes with a microfiber cloth and dust removal stickers. You can remove the old screen protector by starting at the edge and gently peeling straight backwards. To prepare your device for a new screen protector, use the provided microfiber cloth to remove any dust. Now, use the provided stickers to get any dust the cloth might have missed. Just peel back the sticker and dab it over the screen a few times. Take your new screen protector and peel back tab number 1 part of the way. Line it up with the camera and sensors and begin laying it into place. Then, gently roll down, using the squeegee to avoid any bubbles. Then just peel back the final protective cover. If you still end up with bubbles at any point, just use the squeegee to work those out towards the edges. Now your screen has that added layer of protection from scratches without affecting the screen's sensitivity.